followers were the key to success, every influencer would be rich AF. But that's not the case, right? A lot of gurus on the internet have told you that if you build a personal brand, if you grow till lakhs and millions of followers, that's when you can start attracting money, opportunities, brand deals, and then they would start reaching out to you. But that's not the real truth. Today, I'm gonna share you why most creators are broke and now how not to be one. So hi, I'm Palak. If you're new to the channel, I create videos around content creation, business, branding, marketing, and building a freedom-aligned business, so that you not only sit on a Bali beach sipping on your drink while money coming in your bank, but to be actually do what you really are here to do, you know. When I started 5 years ago, my only motive was to earn money, of course, and just have a life where I don't have to think of money. It was such a major thing, right? Because of course I don't come from a very affluent family. I have grown in a small town, in a very middle class family, and I was given everything as I wanted to as a child, but of course our resources and means were limited, and to think of or to even build something big was not on my charts, you know. Anybody who had to like think beyond what was imagined or what was possible just felt like far away from our reach. But then I had this hunger, this passion, and then this era of social media. I thought there's something that other people are like able to do, and I want to jump on this opportunity and I don't want to miss this out. And I genuinely feel that this is something I can do. Like, I really want to do this. And I was like, you know what, even though I till date don't have lakhs and millions of followers, but I figured out a way from my mentors, from my coaches, who taught me how can I monetize from day one. And I did not want it to be just an influencer or a creator on the Instagram. And if you have been following my videos, you would know that my mission here on YouTube as well is not just to make videos and for the sake of it or for the fun of it. I love creating videos, of course, but my purpose, my mission, and what I'm building is so much bigger than what it just maybe shows up right now. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk about why most creators are broke even after having lakhs and millions of followers, and whatever kind of videos you might be seeing, but that's not the real truth that they are living behind the scenes as well. And I'm going to share my journey of how I built my social media business, my marketing business, and now this coaching business, just even with limited number of followers and not having any major connections or luck factor or anything else you could think of. What I give credit to and what I give is, of course, my family, the support that they have given, sometimes not, but the decisions I've taken, and just the pure grit and the nature of not giving up on my own dreams is why I am sitting here and talking to you about this, and why I'm so passionate about it. And I feel if a girl like me who has been so underconfident, so insecure about so many things, from like the place she comes from to, you know, how she looks, how she speaks, and like all 100 other things, if I'm able to sit here and talk to you like this, I feel like anybody can do this if they really want to. So of course I've already talked about my journey. If you want to know about that, you can check out the other video, but today I'm gonna talk about here is that as an artist, as a creator, or as somebody who loves spending time on social media and sees other creators and other people building online businesses and how do they do that and all of that, either you feel jealous of them, either you think they're scammers, or you think whether it's really possible for you. I'm here to just talk about that. Of course they've done it. A lot of people from across the world have done it, and what makes me special is just believing in that and doing the work and going through all the challenges that come in the way, because it's not an easy journey. Anybody who sells you like a dream that you start today and you would have $1 million empire overnight is of course scamming you. But I'm gonna tell you that of course it takes grit, it takes effort, it takes time, but it's so worth it, you know. It's so worth it when you sit and you just see your life and you be like, oh my god, how did it happen? Like, how did it all happen? And it's just like, even though it is my journey, like I'm very early on in my journey of my coaching business, and you know how I'm navigating it and all of that, but I deeply understand, and I deeply, you know, have gone through those ups and downs, that I genuinely now understand that what it takes to create a business, to build a business, and to be at it even if, you know, there are days when nothing is happening, and there are days when there are months that stretch when nothing is moving, even after you putting 100% of your effort. But then that's exactly where you need like a mentor, a guide, a person who comes and tells you, I know it's not as easy, I know you need help with navigating that path, and I'm here to help you, to support you, and to take you to that journey that you want to take. The decision of taking that path is yours, but the journey of you going through that journey and taking that doesn't have to be alone. Because for a lot of time as well, I was also like the rebellious one, you know, like why would I take somebody's help? I am smart enough to figure things out on myself, and you know, I don't need anybody's like help to just navigate things. And the more I try to do that, life has humbled me. Life has humbled me in so many ways that anytime I think of, you know, now I know what to do, and life gives you a bigger challenge, saying, okay, you know, right? You know how to deal with it. Let's test you. So it's crazy, you know. And irrespective of what I have achieved or not achieved, or like whatever, how much I've grown or not, what makes me come here and talk about all of this is that just the pure passion of taking people along with me. I think, you know, in our families we were taught like, or we have just heard like a lot of stories around people who are rich, or people, you know, who are able to do certain things which we are not able to, is because of the access they have, or the privilege they have, or you know, they're born in those families and all of that. But then I was like, it's not my mistake that I wasn't born in such a family, or I wasn't born with that leverage or privilege. But for sure I have the ability to make a decision that I could be one, so that people who like in the coming years would say this thing, that I come from a rich family, or I come from a privileged background, or we had more than enough when I was growing up. I would love my children to boast about it, and that's something that motivates me, that just makes me like that would be such a beautiful feeling. So I did not write anything like just to speak on this video, but it's coming very, very naturally, and it's a journey that, you know, why I'm bringing what I'm bringing and what is my idea behind it, because I believe that you need to know this before you come into my world and you join the Creativepreneur Circle, because it's not just a passion project, it's not just something I'm doing on the side. I really want to announce this through this video that it's my dream project, and it's something that I truly care about, and it's the first batch that I'm launching, and it's all about helping you build your online brand, your online business from scratch, whether you are an existing creator or an artist, or somebody who wants to do that. So if you are ready to join me in this mission and see yourself growing and have a thriving career online, I invite you to the Creativepreneur Circle. It's a 4-month cohort where we are gonna work together with 10 other creators in a closed setup with weekly live sessions, resources, templates, worksheets, action plans, everything that you need to build and grow your creative business online. And I want to help you take that journey with me. I would be really privileged, I would be really grateful if I could do that for you, if I could take you through that journey and help you build that business of yours which you have been always wanting of. And the applications are open till October 15th, and you can fill the application below and I would get on a one-on-one call with you and I can't wait to see you and help you become a creativepreneur. So signing off, and I'm excited.